Boost your farming with the latest tech. Welcome to Sam Official Tech, where we showcase the best agricultural machines to transform your farm. The Claw Selection 8900 is a high-performance combine harvester designed for large-scale farming. Equipped with advanced technology, it efficiently harvests a variety of crops, ensuring high productivity and minimal loss. The powerful engine and innovative threshing system allow it to work seamlessly in challenging conditions, providing faster and cleaner grain harvesting with exceptional fuel efficiency. The Graddle is a versatile, wheeled excavator known for its unique boom design. It combines the reach of a crane with the power of an excavator, allowing efficient digging, lifting, and material handling. Ideal for construction and agricultural applications, it provides excellent maneuverability in tight spaces. The Mucka 91 is a versatile all-terrain crane and excavator designed for rough landscapes. With its unique 5-axle system, it offers excellent stability and maneuverability, making it ideal for construction, forestry, and agricultural tasks. Its ability to handle uneven terrain allows efficient operation in challenging environments. The Puma 3303 is a powerful tractor designed for heavy-duty tasks. Its high horsepower and advanced hydraulics make it ideal for plowing, tilling, and other demanding agricultural operations, ensuring efficiency and reliability. Batten block is an advanced concrete block-making machine commonly used in agricultural construction. It efficiently produces high-quality, durable blocks for building structures like silos, barns, and storage facilities. Designed for speed and precision, it offers a reliable and cost-effective solution for large-scale block production, ensuring strong foundations for agricultural operations. Globy Hole is a specialized agricultural machine used for digging precise holes for planting. It is designed for efficient and accurate soil excavation, making it ideal for planting trees, shrubs, and other crops in various soil types. The Narvat H60 is a high-performance stump grinder designed for clearing stumps and trees in agricultural land. It efficiently removes stumps with its powerful engine and sharp cutting blades, helping to prepare the land for new planting or construction. The Maya Automatic is a machine used for automated forage processing in agriculture. It efficiently shreds, chops, and processes feed with precision, improving feeding efficiency for livestock and reducing manual labor, ensuring consistent and high-quality forage management. The Park Crane is a versatile agricultural machine used for lifting and moving heavy materials. It efficiently handles tasks such as loading and unloading, making it ideal for farm operations that require lifting equipment in tight or challenging environments. The Grypto 709 is a powerful, versatile farm trailer designed for heavy-duty hauling. It efficiently transports large loads of materials like hay, grain, and equipment across farms, offering exceptional maneuverability and stability in various agricultural settings. Broshuis is a leading manufacturer of agricultural trailers and transport equipment. The Broshuis trailers are known for their robust design and high load capacity, efficiently transporting agricultural machinery, crops, and materials, offering stability and reliability in various farm operations. Turbulent Hydro is a hydraulic system used in agriculture for efficient water management. It ensures precise irrigation, reducing water waste and enhancing crop growth. Its robust design allows for easy installation and long-lasting performance in various agricultural environments. Cerberus is a high-performance, heavy-duty agricultural machine designed for land preparation. It combines multiple functions, including tilling, leveling, and compacting the soil, ensuring optimal seedbed conditions. Its advanced technology provides efficient soil management, increasing crop yields while reducing labor and operational costs. Revolutionizes front loader is a front loader attachment designed for efficient material handling on farms. It is used for lifting, loading, and moving hay, soil, or debris. Its strong, durable design ensures high performance and versatility in various agricultural tasks. Unimog flail is a versatile mower attachment for the Unimog utility vehicle, designed for efficient grass and vegetation cutting. Its powerful flail system ensures a clean, precise cut, making it ideal for maintaining fields, roadsides, and other agricultural landscapes. TMC Cancella is a leading brand of agricultural shredders and mulchers. Designed for heavy-duty tasks, it efficiently handles vegetation, pruning, and debris management. Its robust build and powerful cutting mechanism ensure excellent performance in tough field conditions. The TD1000 Plus Performance line is a high-performance tractor designed for demanding agricultural tasks. It features a powerful engine, advanced hydraulics, and durable components to ensure maximum efficiency in tasks like plowing, tilling, and hauling. Its versatile design makes it ideal for large-scale farming, providing reliable performance in all field conditions. The Mechlift ML1612R is a specialized multi-purpose lift truck designed for heavy lifting and handling tasks in agricultural operations. With its compact design and high lifting capacity, it efficiently manages materials such as feed, equipment, and produce in narrow spaces, ensuring productivity and safety on the farm. The Verizon RS400 is a powerful and versatile rotary slasher designed for heavy-duty land maintenance. It efficiently cuts grass, weeds, and crop residue, providing a clean finish for fields and pastures. Its robust build and high-performance capabilities ensure reliable operation in various agricultural environments. Raver's WRC1250AC is a high-performance mulcher designed for clearing large areas of dense vegetation. Equipped with advanced features, it efficiently shreds grass, shrubs, and small trees. Its durable construction ensures excellent performance in tough field conditions, making it ideal for land maintenance and forestry applications. The industrial tree debarking machine is designed for removing bark from logs efficiently. It uses a powerful rotating drum or blades to peel the bark from tree trunks, preparing the wood for further processing. Ideal for large-scale timber operations, it ensures fast, clean debarking with minimal material waste. The Kobelco Planter M160R is a precision planting machine used in agriculture for sowing seeds efficiently. It features advanced technology that ensures uniform seed placement and depth, enhancing crop yield and reducing seed wastage, making it ideal for large-scale farming operations. The MVF5 is a versatile forage harvester designed for efficient grass cutting and collection. It features powerful blades and advanced technology, ensuring precise chopping and fast material transport, ideal for silage production and large-scale agricultural operations. The CHRR NGTON 440XL is a high-efficiency soil sifter used for clearing debris and rocks from agricultural soil. Its advanced screening system improves soil quality, making it ideal for land preparation, crop planting, and enhancing overall farm productivity. Enkin sweeping rollers are designed for efficient cleaning and sweeping of agricultural fields. The rollers effectively gather debris, stones, and residue, improving soil quality and preparing fields for planting. Their durable design ensures reliable performance across various agricultural environments. The RPG 2900 is a robust and high-performance rotary tiller used in agriculture for soil preparation. It efficiently breaks up compacted soil, ensuring better seedbed conditions. With its durable design and powerful blades, it enhances soil aeration, reduces compaction, and improves crop growth, making it ideal for large-scale farming operations. The Lykind ScreedSaver Max Plus is a high-performance leveling and screeding machine used in agriculture for precise soil leveling. It efficiently smooths and prepares soil, ensuring optimal conditions for planting. Its durable construction and advanced technology improve productivity and accuracy, making it ideal for large-scale farm operations. Corrento Rollo Faca is a robust agricultural rolling machine designed for efficient soil compaction. It helps in improving seedbed preparation by ensuring uniform soil density. This roller is ideal for creating optimal conditions for seed planting and enhancing soil structure for better crop yield. A sawmill is a powerful machine used for processing logs into lumber. It efficiently cuts, shapes, and sizes wood, preparing it for various construction and woodworking applications. With its precision and durability, it enhances timber production and improves workflow in forestry operations. The CASIT 7 is a versatile agricultural machine designed for a variety of tasks, including tilling, seeding, and fertilizing. Its advanced technology ensures precise operation, while its durable construction provides reliability across different soil types. The CASIT 7 optimizes field productivity and enhances crop growth for large-scale farming. The Yilmaz Cards is a heavy-duty agricultural machine designed for various land preparation tasks. It effectively handles plowing, tilling, and soil cultivation. Known for its robust construction and efficiency, it ensures optimal soil aeration and prepares fields for better crop growth, making it ideal for large-scale farming operations. The vintage Sicard is an agricultural machine that was used primarily for tilling and cultivating soil. It was designed to prepare land for planting by breaking up the soil and removing weeds. Powered by a sturdy engine, it efficiently handles tough agricultural tasks. Its mechanical design made it a reliable tool for farmers in the past, contributing to increased productivity. The S-64 helicopter crane is a versatile heavy-lifting helicopter used in agriculture for transporting large loads and materials. Equipped with a powerful rotor system, it can lift and carry equipment such as irrigation pipes, supplies, and even large machinery to remote farm locations. Its ability to hover and maneuver in challenging environments makes it ideal for aerial farming tasks. The Belardi UOS 155 is a heavy-duty agricultural machine designed for soil cultivation. It is used for tasks like plowing and preparing land for planting crops. With its powerful engine and durable build, the UOS 155 ensures efficient soil tilling, promoting better crop growth by improving soil aeration and structure. The HEM 593 or Cobra is a specialized agricultural machine designed for harvesting and handling large crops. It is equipped with advanced technology that allows it to efficiently cut, collect, and transport crops such as sugarcane and similar tall plants. Its robust engine and precise control systems make it ideal for large-scale farming, increasing productivity and reducing manual labor. The A-frame Elphinstone is an agricultural machine designed for efficient land clearing and leveling. It is commonly used in large-scale farming operations to prepare the soil for planting. The machine features a powerful frame that can handle heavy-duty tasks, clearing obstacles and creating smooth, even ground for better crop growth and land management. The Safe Arrow 220 is an agricultural drone designed for precision farming. It is used for aerial spraying of pesticides, fertilizers, and other chemicals over large crop fields. Equipped with advanced GPS and mapping technology, it ensures accurate and even distribution. The Safe Arrow 220 enhances efficiency, reduces chemical waste, and improves crop health through precise treatments. The TUAS desalination is an agricultural water management system used to convert seawater into freshwater. It plays a crucial role in areas with limited freshwater sources, providing irrigation solutions for crops. By using advanced filtration and reverse osmosis processes, it ensures a sustainable water supply for farming, supporting crop growth in arid regions. The equipment for removing in agriculture refers to machines designed for clearing land, removing weeds, debris, or stumps. These machines improve soil preparation by efficiently clearing the field, making it suitable for planting crops. They are essential in land reclamation, enhancing productivity, and reducing manual labor in farming operations. The Royal IHC is an agricultural machine used for soil preparation and land reclamation. It is equipped with powerful features for plowing, tilling, and leveling the ground, ensuring optimal conditions for crop planting. The machine's efficient design helps improve soil structure, increasing productivity and reducing labor in large-scale farming operations. The Ducker SGG Schneid is an agricultural machine designed for precise cutting and harvesting. It is commonly used for tasks like cutting grass, crops, or other vegetation in fields. The machine's sharp blades and efficient operation allow for quick and clean cuts, improving harvesting efficiency and minimizing crop damage during the process. The UDS 232 wheel chassis is an agricultural machine designed for carrying heavy equipment and machinery across fields. With its robust wheels and durable frame, it provides stability and mobility, even in rough terrain. It is commonly used for transporting equipment like plows or harvesters, enhancing efficiency in large-scale farming operations. The SIFA K67H is a versatile agricultural machine primarily used for concrete spraying and farming construction projects, such as building silos or irrigation channels. Its powerful pump and long boom allow it to reach elevated and hard-to-access areas. The machine's efficiency and precision ensure reliable application, enhancing the durability of agricultural infrastructure. The Petzolato All-Road is a mobile agricultural machine designed for cutting and processing wood. It is commonly used in forestry and farming for efficiently cutting logs and branches into smaller pieces. With its robust design and mobility, it can operate in various terrains, providing versatility for land clearing and wood processing tasks. Water wheel maintenance equipment is used to ensure the proper functioning of water wheels, commonly used in irrigation systems. These machines are designed to clean, repair, and adjust water wheels, ensuring efficient water flow. By maintaining the water wheel, farmers can ensure consistent water supply for crops, improving irrigation efficiency and supporting healthy crop growth in agricultural fields. The Skier Pro Plus is an advanced agricultural machine designed for efficient crop spraying. It uses high-pressure nozzles to evenly distribute pesticides, fertilizers, or herbicides across large fields. The machine ensures precise application, reducing chemical waste and increasing productivity, while protecting crops from pests and diseases for better yields. The TX1000 Turbo Toro Dingo is a compact, powerful multi-purpose machine used in agriculture for tasks like landscaping, soil preparation, and material handling. With its robust design and versatile attachments, it can easily maneuver through tight spaces, making it ideal for small to medium-sized farms, improving efficiency in various farming operations. The Spearhead Twiga Flex 890T is a high-performance flail mower designed for agricultural and land maintenance tasks. It is ideal for cutting grass, bushes, and small trees. With its flexible design, the mower can adapt to various terrains, providing efficient operation and excellent results in clearing fields, road verges, and orchards. The Chemrock KDS50 Diamond Saw is an advanced agricultural machine designed for efficient soil and vegetation cutting. Equipped with diamond blades, it can easily cut through tough materials like roots, rocks, and dense soil. This machine is ideal for land clearing, road construction, and other tasks requiring precision cutting, improving productivity in tough terrain. The Outlaw Pump Trailer is an agricultural machine designed for transporting and pumping water across large farming areas. It is equipped with a high-capacity pump, allowing for efficient irrigation in fields. The trailer's mobility ensures easy relocation, while its durable build ensures reliable water distribution, supporting crop growth and maximizing irrigation efficiency on farms. The Prinoth Panther T16 is a powerful, all-terrain tracked vehicle used in agriculture for land clearing and transporting heavy loads. Its robust design allows it to navigate difficult terrains, making it ideal for soil preparation, hauling equipment, and improving farm efficiency in challenging environments.